What's up YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny Birdie Gator. You guys, we are back to the Wisconsin location, the Dollar Tree here in Wisconsin. I'm not sure if items are still just $1 or if they've gone up to $1.25, but I guess we're gonna find out. Okay, you guys, let's go ahead and head in. I think the prices went up. Yes, you guys, look. All the prices went up. $1.25, you guys. $1.25. Look, we have Frankenberry family size. I thought food items were still $1, but I'm gonna have to ask. Now we have some 4 for $1 items here in the cart. What are they? Mrs. Freshly donut sticks. Normally $1.19 each. Look, you guys. No. Okay. $1.25, you guys. I was just in another location in Minnesota, and the prices were $1, but here in this location, $1.25. So this is my first time. I know you guys are like, yeah, welcome to the club. This is my first time shopping in a $1.25 Dollar Tree, or as a lot of you guys like to say in the comments, it's the $1.25 tree now. I had so much fun in my other location earlier today. The makeup area was crazy. Hi, honey. How are you?
Okay.
So everything's $1.25, including food?
Certain food.
Certain foods are still $1?
Yeah.
Okay.
I think she said like the canned goods and the ramen noodles.
Okay.
And a couple of more items is still $1. The candy bar is still $1.
Okay. Candy and canned goods.
Yeah. Well, not all the candy, but
just some of them?
candy, yeah.
Okay. Well, thank you. Okay, you guys, let's see what's new on this aisle, if anything. So here in my store, some of the candy and canned goods are $1. Let me know in the comments what items are $1 in your stores. Is it candy, gum, and canned goods? Or what have you found so far? I just got some of these in the other location. These smell really nice. The sparkling cranberry hand lotions by Bodycology. I'm really happy I found those. Ooh, what's this? What is this? Hibiscus and acai berry tea melting oil pearls. Ooh. And then we have this one as well, Moroccan mint tea. Some cute candles. I love this location because they always put together a lot of gift ideas. Like they put together a lot of baskets, and they do this for a lot of different holidays, especially Valentine's Day, but they also do it for Christmas. They just like, you know, try to give you ideas on how you could come in here and make a cute and affordable gift basket. Super cute. Ooh, I like these. The little sponges. Wow, I'm sad that it's $1.25 now. As a lot of you guys are saying, it's the end of an era. And I've heard some of you say that you're upset by it because you feel like maybe certain stores are taking advantage of us during the pandemic. I haven't heard that comment too often, but I have heard it. I mean, Dollar Tree has been at $1 for, I think you guys were saying 30 years. So that's a long time to have a price remain at $1 throughout all the various times of inflation and throughout all the years. We could still get 2 for $1 cards if cards is something you're into buying. all the St. Patrick's Day stuff. The stickers are just getting cuter and cuter. These are little window clings, but you can put them wherever you want. You can put them on like little journals or on packages. They're just so cute. You can put them on glass. The neon lighters. I think these are new. It says they're refillable. This one just says candle lighter. My store still has some Christmas items out. So sad, so sad. Now my other location I filmed in had a humongous amount of new makeup, and I see that this location has some of these items as well. Oh my gosh, you guys, Believe Beauty, this comes from Dollar General, and a lot of the Believe Beauty items, they're affordable. I would say like $2 and some change, or $3 and some change, or sometimes $5. So if you see the Believe Beauty, that is from Dollar General. And this location has NYX items as well. These are some of the items that I was seeing in my other location. However, my other location had a little bit more to choose from. Like a lot of the same items, but just maybe stocked a little bit thicker. But the other location is a bigger store. Ayani. These are all new this week, and these seem to be going pretty fast. The mint scrub, the mint lip oil, and the lip scrubber. Just hunting for more new items. These are definitely new for the week. The super pointy nails, glue not included. And these ones as well. We also have some matte options. And lots of choices from Kiss. You guys have probably seen most of these colors. This is, it says Skin Finish Tinted Moisturizer. Well, you guys, I think that's it for this video. I'm gonna go ahead and start a live. By the time you guys watch this one, my live would have already passed because it's Tuesday, and I usually go live either Monday or Tuesday. But I'm preparing to go live, so tune in every Monday or Tuesday. I'm out here in Minnesota, and it just really depends on the weather. Sometimes the weather is bad on Mondays, and so I'm like altering my errand day to Tuesday or whenever the weather's good. So yeah, you guys definitely join me once a week when I go live. I often do lives at Dollar Tree, and then sometimes the following day I do a live Dollar Tree haul at my house. Anyways, you guys, I had fun bringing you along. Let me know down in the comments what your favorite finds are for the week here in Dollar Tree. Mine are definitely the makeup, and luckily I got a bunch at my other location. I'm not gonna lie, $1.25 is not bad, but I'm happy to still grab items for $1 at some of my locations that have dollar prices. But all right, you guys, that's it for me, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.